Alright guys, welcome
Just kidding.
back
No, kidding.
to another episode of Multiplayer 7 Days to Die with where is it?
Where's what?
You. With
Where's it?
Squishy!
You called me it? You're such a
Uh,
dick.
yep. Alright, whoa, there it is. Hey! Say hi, partner.
Hi. Hi, guys. I'm apparently just an it now, so I will just be on my way to Woo! Wow.
There you go.
Nope.
Give me my 69.
Hey, can you open the thing?
Oh my god. I am such a gentleman.
Whee! Wait, where are we going?
I don't know. I was following you. You want to share your stuff?
Is there anything to share? I thought we... Oh, I guess
Oh.
we do need to reshare everything.
Okay.
I'm ready, Daddy.
Oh boy. Okay. Alright, let me just close you in there. Oh,
Oh, okay.
it doesn't close.
Nope. I can walk right
Here.
in and out.
There you go. I got you.
Wait. Oh my god.
There we go.
Yeah.
It wasn't that funny.
No. I guess in the long run it wasn't.
Yeah.
Let me grab this and then we go downstairs into the basement.
Okay. Can I go ahead and go?
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one. Hang on.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
Cedra. I got her the biggest dog bed today for her birthday.
Oh,
It's
birthday girl.
yeah, it's massive.
Pics or it didn't happen.
Okay.
Yeah. I love the idea of overly large dog beds. Oh god!
He snuck up on me.
He snuck up on me. Shit. I'm so used to him being in that cage, so I'm very confused.
Yeah. Here's another one over. Yeah.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of bories.
Do we want the meat or we good on meat?
We are so beyond good on meat. It's not even funny. We have like 100 something,
Okay.
200 plus.
Okay. I will help with the cobblestone. Oh, do we want the cement?
That's up to you.
Might as well.
You can open their cages.
Yeah. I'm good.
Yeah. Oh god!
What? Oh
Start
my god! Whoops! I broke.
Yeah, I noticed that.
I broke the stairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how to. Okay. That was awkward.
Little
I did not expect him to be up there.
bit.
That's the first time like they've all been out of the cages.
In the face.
You're a face.
Yeah. Not a very good one either. Oh boy! Hey bear. Huh.
That's a boar?
Yeah, but I call him Bear. He's my best buddy bear. Boar bear.
Poor bear?
Boar bear. Jeez.
Poor bear.
Boar bear.
Poor bear.
Yeah.
My whore
Oh!
brethren.
Why are they
Are you
hidden?
recording?
Yes, I am. And
Thank God.
why are they in these freaking corners like that?
I don't know. Like I said, I'm so used to them being in the cages. I don't know why they're everywhere.
Okay, well I've completed both of them.
I don't know if I haven't completed, so let me kill
so
the
you need
next
to kill them.
million.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me kill the next million. Hold on, I'm under the
How?
stairs real quick.
Okay. People under
Oh.
the stairs.
Yeah.
You see
I want to
that?
see how many I need to kill.
Seen that movie?
No.
Man, that movie. Oh god, it creeped me.
I don't think I've even
out.
heard of it. What is it called?
People under the stairs.
Yeah, I don't think I've even heard of that.
It's so weird. I haven't seen it in a long time, but
I'm gonna have to look it up.
yeah.
I'm curious.
I wouldn't say it's a good movie.
Well, you know. Not all movies can be winners.
Yeah. They're not all
Oh.
Shaun of the Dead.
Oh my lord.
What?
That's your standard right there?
Yeah, that and Crank.
Oh, I love Crank. Crank is the one where he just shoots up adrenaline like no tomorrow, right?
Yep, that's the first one.
Yeah. Yep. I haven't seen that in a long time, but I remember it.
The Staith is Bay.
Stay Fizz Bay.
He is... Oh my... Thank you.
Are you missing like every shot?
I missed my whole magazine. My whole clip. It was like all the way around her and then back around again.
You're so good at games.
I know, I'm like pro level. I do need to start using the mouse wheel a lot more.
Yeah, I'm horrible at doing the numbers, so I just
Yeah.
scroll. Although, of course, it leads to panic scrolling. So...
Why
Oh,
would you open it?
uh, you'll see why. Hold on.
Yeah.
Open it again. Oh,
I wanted to close it so he didn't get out and kill me.
you're just being a wuss.
Yes, I am.
Okay, good.
Hardcore parkour.
Oh,
Oh, go ahead.
um,
Ladies first.
thanks. Oh, I need to uncrouch. Hold on. Oh my lord, you're about to have a wet dream.
Oh my god. My dreams are full of semen.
Oh man, I didn't realize my comment would go more than one way, honestly. That was pretty good.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we're gonna be able to upgrade our temporary Alpha 19 base.
Yeah,
Woohoo!
if I can make the cement mixer.
Oh yeah, we gotta do that too, don't we?
Yeah, kind of.
Hey! Make sure you don't waste all your 7.62.
I'll be fine.
I know.
Maybe. We'll find out, right?
Well, if you're going through Horde Night with me,
Let's
don't
not
know.
Oh man, I don't have any repair kits.
oh.
I can't help you on the shoveling.
Okay.
I can only offer protection.
Okay. Whoops.
I protect.
Okay.
You hear me? I protect.
Hey! Why are you tearing up my pillow? I got you that big old bed, and you're tearing up my pillow.
Good girl.
Man, you know how much I pay for that pillow?
What kind of pillow is it?
I don't remember. Tempur-Pedic? Something like that?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, have you ever tried one of those bamboo pillows?
I have not. I've not even heard of that.
Oh, it is amazing.
Really?
I love it.
Is there somebody behind me? Or are they beside us?
They're beside us.
Okay.
Man, switching to surround sound on my thing
Does it help?
sounds so weird.
Yeah? Are you triangulating their position?
I'm just very confused.
Yeah, I feel like somebody's breathing in my ear right now.
They
My-
might be in the first floor.
Let's see. You good? Nice.
Hey, come here.
Yeah.
Where are you? Super corn.
Yay, super corn. What?
Yeah, hover over it.
Yeah, super corn. What? Is it good?
It's not. I don't know. It's regular. It's not regular corn.
Oh. Well, that's
It's
fun.
super corn.
Super corny.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh.
What?
Ow, she is loud in my ear.
Yeah.
Should probably turn that down a few notches before I, like, lose my mind.
Oh, there they are. Yeah, I need to adjust the sounds a little bit.
Hopefully I don't sound echoey.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, buddy. Mm.
What is he doing? Oh no.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. Having lots of fun. Fun, 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 fun.
There's more secrets in here.
Secrets.
Come this way, sir.
Egrets.
Ready?
Yep.
Wait!
What?
Down here.
More super corn?
There is more super corn, some loot, cement,
2 workbenches.
Cobbles. that too.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I don't care.
Okay.
Uh,
Do we want to take these apart?
nah. Well, maybe.
You're dropping
Oops.
stuff. You're full already?
Let's not talk about it.
Okay. Grindy grind. We're grinding.
We're grinding, 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 grinding.
What?
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 What was that?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. There's a lot of don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. That's all I need to hear.
Oh man, look at all this shit!
Yeah, get that. Oh my god. Okay. I'm sure they don't want to sit here and watch me shovel all this stuff, so I'm gonna pause.
Would totally help you if I could.
Okay.
Also, I don't know if you noticed that this is very like Sweeney Todd over here.
Sweeney Todd, what is that?
Oh my god, you don't know what Sweeney Todd is?
No.
That's the musical in which he partners with Mrs. Lovett,
Okay.
and she makes meat pies, but he kills people and she uses human meat.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, but if you look like up here, there's like human bones and shit.
Okay.
That's actually how the super corn is made, is using
Oh.
zombie fertilizer.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Just
Oh, are they finally at that door?
They at the bunker?
They are. They can't open it. He's trying.
Just a little bit more.
Oh, you're fine. They can't open that door, so. And then we have a hole to explore.
Okay.
I mean, it's a pretty deep hole.
Really? Is that
Yeah.
good? Is that good?
I don't know. That's a preference thing.
Oh. Okay. Should I throw a Molotov?
No.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
You do what you want to do.
I don't want to fall through that.
What are you talking about? You're not going to fall through.
Okay, I'll do it. I don't care. Ha ha. Boink. Oh! Oh! That's a biggin. That's a big boy right there. That's a big boy.
I was trying not to fall down so that you can find it by yourself, but He's a
Well,
big old boy.
that is a big old boy.
Yeah, so that's the Bob's boar's secret.
Okay. Damn, he's thick.
He is thick.
That's a big boy.
He a thick green boy.
So we... Oh, there's the loot. So we won. Ooh, that's good. More
You're
forged iron.
good.
Don't lie to me.
I know. I'm sorry.
The SWAT helmet? That's good, right?
Is it?
It doesn't look any worse than what I've already got.
You're worse than what you've already got.
Jesus Christ.
Uh,
Wow.
it just got really quiet.
Yeah, it did. You can have the rest of what's in there.
I don't like it.
Why?
I don't trust it.
It's peaceful.
I guess.
Okay.
I definitely need to go back to the base.
Hello? Hey! Okay, get out, please. Oh my lord. There we go. Not funny.
Watch Kev struggle to get out of a hole.
Professional.
Not professional.
100% professional.
Professor?
Professional.
Kiki.
Professional.
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 We're professional.
Okay.
Hello, Professor.
Yep. Professor.
To the
Yeah.
wall.
Totha. Professor Totha.
Professor to the wall. To the window. To the sweatshop. Them up.
Balls.
Skeet, 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 skeet.
Alrighty. I am
Yes.
hungry.
I am a lot of things. Oh, they're not trying. They are in.
Are they? Oh god, they
Yes.
are. Yep. Hey there. Hey there, fellas. Somebody forgot to close the gate.
The gate's closed.
What?
Sir.
Somebody.
Look.
Oh yeah. Look at there.
They broke through the fence.
Again? We really gotta.
Yes.
Bro. Back.
So
up.
don't blame that shit on me.
They came through my impenetrable spikes. Man.
Hey, I'm gonna drop something for you.
Okay. How did you make that?
Don't worry about it.
How did you do that? I'm gonna put it right down here.
I'm magic.
Is that-
Okay, now the thing is, we're gonna need a lot of stone and a lot of crushed sand.
Yep.
So we might have to,
Dig a mine.
yeah, like
Yeah.
a lot.
Yeah.
That's not.
So, you want to put it down here, or?
Yeah, we can put it down here.
Okay. Let's just set it like
Right.
right here next to the ladder. That cool?
Okay. Yeah, I need to get some iron to do stuff with.
Oh man, look at that thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna put so much shit in that thing.
Yeah, bitch.
Okay.
Look. I got excited.
So are we gonna have to we're gonna have to go around and do that to all these fences, aren't we?
Eventually, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me fix the ones that are not already upgraded.
Hit the spikes, you stupid thing! Why are you
Wow.
walking beside them?
Wow.
Oh my god, how is their pathing so good?
Your pathing is not good.
You're right, because they don't care about my spikes and they don't even come close to touching them. Alright, before it gets dark.
Okay, let me do this last one.
This
Cool.
this fence is gonna look really cool actually. Once it's all done.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Damn it. I'm
There we go. I did it again.
You did what again?
I wandered into this POI without starting the recording.
Wow. Oh, you're so profesh.
Yeah. I just have so much fun. I just forget about my profession.
Mm.
And
Good thing you don't rely on the money.
That's damn true. I'd be in so much trouble.
Oh, that'd be... Yeah.
Ooh, neat. I found a steel axe. Looks cool.
Oh, shit.
You wanna
Oh,
see
is it? Does it look all double-headed and shit?
Yeah, look at this. Ready? Yeah. Hi-ya.
Oh, my lord. That thing is like Viking.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like Frito from Idiocracy.
Oh, my lord.
That's another good one.
I remember that one. Well, I don't really remember it. I know I've watched it. It's just been years. Man, my memory is really bad.
Yep.
Wow, you didn't have to agree so quickly. Goddamn.
What do you want from me?
$1,000,000.
Sorry.
I know.
And start back up. Okay.
You missed? How'd you miss?
See how big that bed is?
Also, that pillow.
What pillow? Which one?
The stuff around her.
Oh, yep. That's...
But yes, I love how big it is. I kind of want one for myself.
Yeah, it is actually pretty comfortable. I'm jelly.
Oh my god, I want it. That is one spoiled puppy!
Yes, ma'am. The birthday girl.
So, funny story, when I was younger, I used to be obsessed with pet beds.
Uh-huh.
So I would steal my dogs and, like, sleep in it.
Okay.
I would put it on my bed and legit just sleep in it.
Huh.
Yeah, also I fell, so
Okay.
give me a second.
Need some help?
Nah, I'm good.
I bet I can help.
I'm good! Ah!
Did I do it? Did I help? Oh boy, that's not good. For me.
No,
What? Did it not help?
you did it. No, because he's still alive.
No, he is not.
He was. I had to shoot him dead. And I got hurt, you dumb.
What? What are you talking about? How did you get hurt from that?
Because you literally made it rain fire!
Oh. Wasn't it really cool, though? Oh, no!
That's how I died!
No!
That one time, that's how I died.
Uh-uh.
It is. Like, I was, except I was standing on it.
Why did all that stuff fall down?
I don't know, but that's exactly what happened to me last time.
You fell?
Well, I was on there, started digging into it, and then it broke and fell on top of me as I fell.
Oh, yeah, that's not good.
Yeah. One of those moments I wish I had been recording because on my end, it was just like, are you shitting me?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense why it would collapse when you take a bag of concrete off of it.
I don't know.
That's,
I don't think it matters even what concrete it is.
yeah. Out of stamina. Heh, it's another Games for Kicks.
Oh, what?
Games for Kicks.
What about it?
Stamina. He says
Oh.
stamina.
God damn it.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Well, I was trying to get somewhere else.
Oh wait, you already emptied all this stuff? Okay.
No.
Oh, that's cool. You're good.
Why would I ever do that?
Hey. Hiya! This is gonna fall and kill
So,
us, isn't it?
probably. So I wouldn't.
Wouldn't what? No, we're good. Look, see? You're not good because you failed, but that's cool.
I can be back in a second.
There's nothing that could ever go wrong with this.
Yeah, there is.
No. Just gonna get some free...
Would.
What?
Oh, never mind. I thought.
You wouldn't happen to have a splint on you, would you?
I don't. I think it's in my bike.
Because if you don't have a splint on you, I'm not getting out of here. Oh,
I
yeah.
don't think.
Wait, yes, I am. I'm totally getting out of here. Work smarter,
Wow.
not harder.
I made the jump, no problem.
Yeah, well, we can't all be cheaters.
I'm not a cheater.
Uh-huh.
I'm just good
Uh-huh.
at
didn't.
this game.
We really didn't even see you make the jump.
I see.
So, can't really... I guess we gotta go off your word.
Wow. I
Are not
was gonna give you a
surprised.
split, but nah.
Okay. Go ahead and give it to me anyway.
Nah.
Yep.
Nah.
Oh, that doesn't help.
What?
That little fall from the ladder there.
Oh, why'd you go that way?
Because I didn't know. Oh my god.
Too bad you're not a pro gamer.
I am the best to ever do it, okay?
Where are you? Oh, you need to accept my party invite, sir.
Oh my gosh. You just
Otherwise-
sent it. Quit playing like you sent it an hour ago.
I did send it an hour ago because I don't know
You
where
did.
you are.
You did because I've been having OBS issues. And I'm thirsty.
I don't. Oh, there you are.
And hungry.
Staring at me through the thing. Okay, well, here you go. Your stupid split.
It's not stupid.
Yeah, only the person writing it or needing it is stupid.
Interesting.
Okay,
Would you like
what?
to be set on fire?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to that buried treasure.
Okay, let's do that. Where's that at?
Follow me.
Wait for me.
No.
Wait, where? Wait. You going behind the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Behind Bob's boars.
Okay.
Oh no. I should not have done this.
Probably not.
Okay, there you go. Alright.
So
Let me make it an active quest. That would probably help. There.
Oh, is it
Oh,
up top?
No, it's around.
Okay. I am.
Whee! Whee! Oh no. I hear it. Doogie.
I have a weird doogie sitting beside me. Shoot. Why aren't you in your gigantic bed that I just bought you?
Oh no.
What? I hear you.
Zombies. Zombie zombies.
Yay, shared. Oh, there's the doggy. I see the doggy. Did I pass you?
Yeah. Hang on, I'm marking the corners again. Because you can't see the boundary.
Yep. I'll be there in a half hour or so.
Alright. Oh, my light wasn't on.
Repair kit?
Why?
I won't be able to help you dig if you don't have one.
Here.
How do you have everything?
I don't know. I just, it's like I get prepared before I even leave the house.
Listen. There's no need to Point fingers.
I'm not. I'm just, I'm just saying.
Okay. Dig a dig a dig, dig and dig and dig and.
Dig, 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 dig. Whee!
Yeah, we'll probably have to call this episode after we get done digging this hole.
Alright.
Quit that.
I can't help it. Oh, it did the thingy. Oh, okay. Oop. I need a repair. I need to upgrade my shovel.
Yeah. That's rock. Okay. That's the end of our episode. Alright. Yeah. We're at the meth lab here.
Yes.
I'm gonna go ahead and send it off. Appreciate
Walter
everybody being here.
Oh my god, I kept saying it was Walt Whitman, not Walter White.
What is I don't know the difference.
Breaking Bad.
Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry. That was a total. Ah.
Alright. Big Moon. Alright. So send wait. Wait. Huh? Oh, hey. Send it off. Go.
Okay. Alright, guys. That's it for this episode of 7 Days to Die multiplayer with Squishy. If you liked it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Peace.
Peace.